Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Cle'era and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this no foundation makeup routine. It's easy, it's dewy, it's glowy, and it's an everyday makeup look with some affordable products. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. Also, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you stay updated with all my new videos. Now let's get into the video. So I am starting off with freshly clean skin. I did wash my face with the Aveeno Daily Scrub, and I did moisturize with this Aveeno Daily Moisturizer Sunscreen. And then, because I want to keep like a dewy, fresh, skin look, I did go in with my Glossier Future Dew. I love this stuff, especially when I'm not wearing any makeup. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer, and this is a matte finish, and it is in the color Deep Cinnamon. So if you are like my skin complexion, then Deep Cinnamon is the color to go with. Okay, so I'm just going to put the concealer like where my problem areas are. So a little bit underneath my eyes. Okay, and I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm using like this tapping motion to kind of blend it in. And I get a little bit around my nose because it does get pretty red right there. Okay, so now that I've officially pretty much blended in my problem areas, what I like to do is I like to take my brush and just kind of blend everything in. So I'll be using this brush. It's from Sephora. It's like a blush and I think bronzing brush. But yeah, I just kind of tap around, just kind of get everything blended. Because I have a very like yellow undertone, and the concealer has more of like a neutral and more red in it. So like when I go in the sunlight, you can see that red, and I don't like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my lighter e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer in Deep Olive just to highlight. So I just put like a dot, and then on the bridge of my nose, just a dot. And see, that just brightens my under eye just a little bit more, and I like that. And I am gonna put just a little bit here, just to kind of balance out all that lightness. Okay, also don't judge me, but I've had this, I don't even know what it is anymore, but I've had this contouring stick for so long. I don't even know what it is. But anyways, we're gonna use it because that's what we're contouring with. So I'm just going to use just a little bit like right there, and I'm gonna bring it down. So you want to put it like right underneath like the bone, and then I'm gonna take this side of my brush and just kind of like brush it up and down, if that makes sense. Or really like tap it. So like as I'm bringing it down, I'm kind of pushing it up. Okay, and then I'm gonna go out with my Aspen setting powder. So I don't use a lot. I use a foundation brush or a sponge to set it. If I'm going for more of like a settle look that doesn't look like I have a lot of makeup on, I'll use this brush, because what I do is I like barely get any on there. I like tap it in and then like tap a lot of it off, and then just like push it in there. So as you can see, like I have barely put anything on this brush. That's how I like to set my under eye, because like I just don't like that leftover like super white look, and it spreads pretty nicely to me. So I'll use it like on my forehead, here around my nose, just where I get super oily. And then I am using my Mary Kay bronzer in the shade just bronze 4. And I usually just use the top because it's already like pretty heavy. So going in with that bronzer again, I'm going to just spread it over my eyelids. Just a little bit, like in the crease. Just so it can kind of meet with that light, slight contour that I really barely just did. And then I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown blush in the shade Cranberry. A lot of these products have lasted me a long time because I don't wear a lot of makeup. So if you're wondering why I'm using all these outdated products, it's because it lasts me a long time. And I just like to brush it over my nose a little bit. Brush it down here just to give it that nice blended look. So I don't really do much to my eyebrows because they are microbladed, but I am gonna go ahead and just kind of slightly color them in a little bit. With my Anastasia. Actually, no, this is e.l.f. This is e.l.f. pomade. And I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia brow gel. Next, I'm gonna be using my Lash Stiletto mascara. You can just like get this from Walmart. Also, a lot of people ask me, or they compliment me on my eyelashes about how they're just long naturally. I do use almond oil on my lashes. Like, I use it as a moisturizer normally. Don't have it right now, but almond oil has helped my lashes grow significantly. Because I use it as a moisturizer, you know, naturally it just goes on my eyelashes, and I think that's helped them grow and just like kind of help condition them. So if you're wondering how to get your lashes longer, almond oil, simple. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with my NYX lip pencil. I like have baby lips, so lining my lips is so important if I want my lips to look full. And I do slightly overline my lips, so I know on camera this probably looks a little crazy. And then I'm going to go back in with my lip gloss. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys succeeded in this beautiful no foundation makeup look. It's very easy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.